Okay, me cleaning gear case. Little mild soap, laundry detergent, soak it all up. You can see the difference already in the coloration, and a Scotch-Brite pad. I'm just, I really go by the seat of my pants, and when I do stuff like this, I can feel the difference when I'm driving. It just feels good. The boat feels much better. Seems like getting all that oil off the gear case that builds up when we do our gear lube changes. And you can see the dirt that's going to just wipe right off here. The difference. It's beautiful.